I'm ready to do the trailer now. This is the last part. I want to get the etch primer put on today. I'm going to wait a couple of hours, then I'm going to do the primer. So, need to crack on. It's going to be another late night. It's taken me hours to put all this masking tape on, so let's get on with it. That's a gun. I'm ready now for the primer, and you know last time I had a lot of hassles with the primer. I've got another pot of paint. It still feels really thick, so hopefully I'm going to be able to set the gun up a little bit better. I'm just going to go over the tack cloth because there's been a lot of dust everywhere, and then I'm just going to go over a bit of panel wipe because I've got all my finger marks all over it as well, so I really want to get rid of all of those finger marks just in case. And I'm hoping it's not going to be too troublesome with this primer, but we will see. If so, I'll put it on as thin as I can, and then I will sand it down later. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it overnight, give it 24 hours, and then I'm going to put my base coat and then lacquer, and then that's finished, ready for bolting together. This is chalk and cheese compared to last time. So I've learnt so much in this last week. I started Tuesday, it's now Saturday, and yeah, it's to set these up. It's just a bit. It feels like you have to try and fly a helicopter at first, but yeah, if you haven't done it before and you're a bit worried about it, like everyone else has told me, just give it a go. And yeah, it'd be something proud of doing it. I am proud that I'm doing this now. It's been so much money that I've spent on this, but then I think when I'm going to have a beer camping with Hensley and Amanda, it's going to feel worth it. I'm going to look back at this and just say, yeah, I done that, and that's going to be worth it. I know it's not going to be perfect, and I know a professional will turn around and say, yeah, it's this, that, the other, you should have done this, you should have done that. But do you know what? I'm really happy. I'm really quite proud of what I've done so far. But yeah, setting it up, put everything in, put the pressure lower, and build everything up bit by bit. That's the best way I feel I can, bit of advice I can give. But give it a go. Look at that, it's going on thin. Before I couldn't actually do a thin coat. It was just, it's horrendous. And this is only going to need a thin bit of sanding down now. I got so much more confidence doing this. I feel that I could have if I had a bit of a bump in a car, a little dent, I feel that I'd give it a go now on a car. 2 days ago, I would have done that because I was having so much problems with this. It was a mess. As I showed you in the kitchen, it was a mess. There's almost a cheap compressor for sale, but now I'm keeping it. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet. Not in the kitchen because I don't think Amanda's going to let me do it. Put it in the kitchen. I'm actually enjoying this. I actually feel that I'm in control. Before the other day, I wasn't in control at all, but this, yeah, I'm starting to relax now. And having it really thin, I could take my time and just keep the pressure of the button on, and just, I can almost hold it out there. And it doesn't really, that's not going to run because there's only so much paint coming out, hardly anything at all, which is, for me, much better. You gotta admit, that's so much better than last time. If you do like these videos, please subscribe, put your thumbs up, comment, share. It really does help. Thank you. Okay, here I am. Back on the painting the trailer. All I've got to do now is the base coat of the trailer and lacquer. So I'll get that done in the next couple of hours, and this is going to be a bit tricky because it's got all these intricate bars coming down here, so that's not going to be that easy. So hopefully it's going to go well, but going up here underneath this bar here, it could be a bit challenging. So I'm just going to do it on a very small amount of paint coming out, and just do it bit by bit. So here we go. last part of the jigsaw puzzle. The lacquer on the Daytona grey. Almost there.
Right, have you finished it now, Richard?
No, not happy.
What's the matter? I thought you'd done it. All looks beautiful. What's wrong?
I'm not happy at all.
Well, what's happened?
There's a little bit of a dust. I just did last on the lacquer, just a little bit of a flick at the back, and a bit of dust got onto it. It just went from bad to worse. So I tried to get it off. That didn't work. Then I tried sanding it down, and then I thought I'd polish it out. That didn't work. So then I thought rub it down a little bit and put a little bit of Daytona grey on it. It reacted and it all bubbled. So I actually literally scraped it off